everyone, my name is Drishti and I scored 94% in my 12th boards, and I strongly give the credit for this score to the Unison Institute, and as I studied my 11th and 12th from this institute, I found this institute the best option for me as I live here, and this is very near to my house, and I am not into that hectic transportation. The faculty here is very friendly and cooperative. The teachers are very experienced and they are always here to help us to clear our doubts, and they help us at every step. They are with us and we feel very much like home here. We get personal attention, we can clear our doubts on WhatsApp with our teachers, and I found this institute the best option you all can have if you are living in this area. And as per my experience, I would surely suggest you that you come here, try it, and you will love it, because I loved it and I spent 2 years here, but the time here I spent can't be ever, I can never express this time. That was very precious for me and that was a very growing stage for my life.